Hey guys, someone had a question about autoimmune. What was my thoughts on autoimmune conditions? And I want to talk to you about that in this video. There's a guy named Dr. Royal Lee, famous nutritionist back in the 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s. I think he died in 1963, okay? But he was heavily attacked by the FDA and the whole thing. It's an interesting story. But he had a lot of amazing nutritional discoveries. And one was something called a PMG, which stands for protomorphogen. And it actually works on autoimmune, okay? So in this example, let's just take the thyroid gland. We have the thyroid, and the body's creating antibodies, which mean against the body, against its own tissue. So it's a self-attack. So an autoimmune disease or condition is a condition where your body is attacking itself. Kind of crazy, but that's what happens. So you have this situation where it becomes inflamed, and it just stays inflamed, and you can't heal, it doesn't function, because your immune system is attacking itself. So he had a brilliant idea, and I like this idea. He said if you take an extract, the DNA from another species, like let's say we took the DNA from a cow thyroid and we extracted it. So what he did, he took the cells from another species and he found a way of extracting the DNA using sea salt. Okay, so because sea salts will cause it to burst, he takes out the DNA material and he dehydrates it. Okay, so he found that the DNA from this thyroid is similar to ours. Okay, I don't know if it's identical, but it's pretty similar. And then if you take this PMG, say this thyroid extract, into your stomach, what happens is your antibodies that are attacking the thyroid go to this decoy and leave your thyroid alone. Okay? This was the whole strategy and theory of basically giving the body a decoy to divert the attention of the immune system, to let the thyroid then heal because it's no longer being attacked. So you can deplete this antibody reserve that's been built up so we no longer have any destructive attacks on the thyroid. So there's several companies out there that sell glandular extracts for different organs, like the adrenal, like the thyroid, like the lung. And obviously, if you have the glandular extract, you have DNA in it. So the whole idea would be to take the extract of a certain tissue that you have antibodies attacking, take it orally to give your body a decoy, let the organs heal to the point where you no longer have an autoimmune problem. So this is really a problem with the immune system because it's almost as if the body has an allergy to its own tissues. So if you were to have an autoimmune of the thyroid and someone injected you with thyroid extract, you would have a serious anaphylactic shock. You would actually have a massive allergy and you could possibly die. But Dr. Royal Lee found that when you take it orally, it goes through the immigration process properly. So it gets the stamp of approval before it goes in the body, okay? Because you have this whole lymphatic like barrier here, and you don't have that reaction other than maybe a real mild spike in histamines, which will create maybe a little fatigue, in which case you would just want to take this before bed. So some of the companies that sell PMGs or glandular extracts are not going to make any claims, and I'm not going to make any claims. So what I'm going to recommend is if you have an autoimmune condition, you may want to try this out to see if it can help you. Search out, and I'm not going to list any specific brands, but you can search out either PMGs for a specific organ type or a glandular extract that you can take small amounts over a long period of time, take them before bed to see if it can help you, okay? So thanks for watching and put your comments below. So I want to know what you're interested in as far as a future video. Click the link down below and share some ideas. I want to hear.